Hey guys, my name is Marcus and I'm here to save you time, energy and money by reviewing the money making methods on YouTube if they are actually worth doing. And in this video, I'm going to investigate the Canva AI side hustle that's earning 1,180 plus a day, and we're going to find out together if it's actually worth pursuing. And of course, I don't have any issue with that. This is just a review of the method. So the first thing that she shares in a video is that you have to look and find a niche, let's say on Etsy, on Amazon, then you can, with the print on demand, sell, let's say, candles. And for example, like the pickable candle, and then you can like find various sports or like someone who likes to make bread, and you would be creating candles for them. So this is like the whole idea of it. So the first step is try to find a niche, let's say going with pickable candle. The second thing that she shares in video that she recommends to use ChatGPT to generate one-liners for your candles, like slogan ideas. So for example, game, set, match and relax. And ChatGPT is going to generate you a lot of these ideas. And the next step is that you are going to put it to Canva, where you are going to find plenty of templates for your candles. And then you are going to choose like a template that you like, and you are just going to paste the ChatGPT generated one-liner. And the next step is that you are going to download the label from Canva, then you are going to come to Printify where you're going to paste it, and then you are going to see right here how the product looks like, and you can start selling it on Etsy or Amazon. And now for how you can get actually traffic, what she recommends in the video is that you are going to rely on a free traffic from Etsy. That when you are going to be in some kind of like niche market, therefore you're not going to have a lot of competitors and people can buy products from you. Now, this strategy sounds amazing, but there are a lot of cons that I want to share with you. So the first thing is our higher costs and profitability, because there is a really simple way how we can write it. You can earn 1,100 plus a day, but the reality is like, okay, when I'm going to sell something for 20 euro, actually doing the calculation, how much profit I'm going to take home and how much I would need to sell to actually even make $1,000 in profit in a month. So this is the first thing to be aware of. The second thing is oversaturation of the market. The problem with this idea that it's easy barrier to entry, and if you rely only on the free traffic from Etsy, I don't know if it's going to be enough to actually make $1,000 180 a day. So this is something to be aware of, that anybody can do it. The next problem that I have is making $1,180 a day. That is like 30k a month, and if you want to make 30k a month selling candles, you would have to sell like about 1,500 candles on monthly basis, and that's insane amount of candles that you would have to sell. And another thing is that it feels to me that she's the one who makes most of the money by showing you how you can make money. And because you're gonna have like the 40k views, she's going to have even more views, and then she got a lot of affiliate links. I mean, it's her business model, but this is the reality of it, is that to make 30k a month with candles, it's insane amount of money when you like focus on a small niches that are not searched a lot. And the last problem or kind of question is for you, if you actually like doing it. Because there is a one thing following your passion, you know, building something that you love, comparing to just like spending hours on ChatGPT and Canva and creating various labels and then just trying to sell them on Etsy like everybody else is doing. Now, this is like the question for you, if you just want to follow the path, or if it isn't just like short-term kind of excitement because someone tells you that you can possibly make $1,000 a day. Because now the end, it's kind of like worth it, but what I would highly encourage you to do a deep research of various hobbies. So let's say you're gonna ask ChatGPT to write you hobbies. You want to ask it to write you all the possible sports, and then you want to do the deeper research of like all the niches on Etsy. What do you want to actually sell the candles in? So this is the first thing. The second thing, I highly encourage you to do deep calculation. You can ask Reddit, you can, you know, go to ChatGPT if it's actually worth doing and worth your time and worth your investment and money. So these are the two important things that I want to share. And now what I rather recommend to do Because this is the possible way, but what I do is that I build multiple successful YouTube channels. For example, I will show you right here, based on the following, who am I inside, what I like to do. So I always liked teaching, right? I always like educational and creating tutorials. This channel, you can even check it out, 263,000 euro it earned me for 12 million views. This channel right here for 5 million views, 82,000 euro. And this channel right here for 27 million views, 169,000 euro. You can see I'm moving here. Then, for example, I had the cooperation with Binance Affiliate that earned me $36,000 in commission, just the affiliate. Then also I was teaching how people can play and how they can play mobile games on a PC. I was making tutorials here, and look at this, $400, $400, $300, all the monthly commissions. So this is something that I share, the guide on how you can actually make money, like 3 unique ways, what I perceive a good way how you can make money on YouTube if you want to start creating content. But again, if you want to do it, I have a newsletter. You're going to find the video right there after you sign up, where I also share the tips on how you can make money with YouTube, because this is something that I specialize on, and this is something that I'm great at on primarily YouTube. So yeah, I just like to explore the other ideas, but I don't want to, provide you that, oh my God, you can really make quick bucks with this method, you should start doing that. What I do is that I talk about the making money with YouTube primarily. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and what I perceive is that, like, you can try it out if you want to. Just be aware that there are a lot of cons behind it. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.